In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to default your camera to off in Microsoft Teams. Let's face it, sometimes you just want to join a meeting without having your camera on immediately, whether it's for privacy reasons or simply because you're not quite camera ready. Whatever your reason, setting your camera to be off by default can make your meeting experience smoother and more comfortable. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this through your desktop application or simply by navigating to the Teams website. Input your login credentials if you haven't already set up automatic sign-in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams interface with all your chats, meetings, and options laid out. Next, identify the meeting you'd like to join. You'll see a list of meetings available to you, be it through your calendar or the invitation links you've received. When you've located the meeting, simply click on the Join button. But we're not quite joining just yet. There's one little trick left to ensure you enter with your camera off. Before you click the final Join Now button to enter the meeting, take a moment to glance down at your toolbar within the meeting setup window. Here you'll find various icons, including one that looks like a camera. This is the video icon. By default, you might notice that this camera icon could be highlighted or have a small line across it indicating that the video is on. Your goal is to ensure this icon shows your video is off before you join. Click on that video icon. With a quick click, you'll see it change, typically appearing with a crossed out line or showing as deactivated. This is your cue that your video will be off as soon as you enter your meeting. Making sure this icon shows that your video is off is the critical step that many people often miss. It takes just a second to check this, but it can save you from unexpected on-camera appearances. So, with your camera now set to off, you can confidently hit Join Now. You'll enter the meeting room with your video off just as you wanted. And that's it. You've learned how to join Microsoft Teams meetings with your camera defaulted to off. It's a small tweak, but one that can make your virtual meeting experiences much more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other videos for more tips and tutorials on how to optimize your Microsoft Teams experience. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making your online interactions smooth and stress-free.